In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a digital business card, a convenient and eco-friendly way to share your professional information. Choose a platform. Select a service like Canva, Adobe Spark, or a specialized app like HiHello or Camcard. Design your card. Open the chosen platform. Choose a template or start from scratch. Add your personal and professional information. Name. Job title. Company name. Contact information, phone, email. Social media handles. Website URL. Customize the design. Add your logo or a professional photo. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Ensure all information is clearly visible and correctly spelled. Save and share. Save your digital business card in a format like PDF or image. Share your card via email, social media, or a QR code. Creating a digital business card is simple and helps you stay connected professionally in the digital age. Check my links below.